The skies are set to witness a new force. Turkey and Pakistan, two nations united by history and friendship, are embarking on a bold journey. A fifth-generation stealth jet factory coming to Pakistan with Turkish expertise. This collaboration is more than just about aircraft. It's a defining moment in regional geopolitics, innovation, and military strength. Show the KAAN stealth fighter jet. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the KAAN is a fifth-generation, multi-role stealth aircraft. This means it's not only designed for air superiority but also ground attack, making it a versatile powerhouse. Officially unveiled on May 1, 2023, the KAAN embodies Turkey's vision to be at the forefront of advanced defense technology. Its maiden flight in February 2024 marked a new chapter in Turkey's journey towards self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Pakistan's interest in the KAAN isn't surprising. As one of the largest air forces in the region, the Pakistan Air Force has long sought to modernize its fleet to counter emerging threats. Currently, Pakistan relies heavily on JF-17 Thunder fighters co-developed with China. While the JF-17 is a reliable platform, it lacks the advanced stealth capabilities that modern conflicts demand. This is where the KAAN steps in. By establishing a production facility for the KAAN in Pakistan, the nation gains access to cutting-edge technology, reducing its dependence on foreign imports while enhancing its indigenous production capabilities. Turkey and Pakistan have enjoyed decades of close military cooperation. From naval shipbuilding to defense exports, the two nations share a commitment to strengthening each other's capabilities. The KAAN project represents the next step in this partnership, with Turkish Aerospace Industries providing the technological expertise and Pakistan offering strategic resources. This collaboration is set to be a win-win for both countries. Reports suggest that the production facility will be tailored to adapt the KAAN jet for Pakistan's unique needs, potentially incorporating Chinese engines like the WS-10G for added efficiency. This initiative goes beyond aircraft production. It's a strategic message to the world. For Pakistan, it's about leveling the playing field with regional rivals like India, which has its own fifth-generation fighter projects in the works. For Turkey, it's a chance to showcase its growing prowess in defense exports, joining the ranks of nations like the United States and Russia that dominate this space. In the long run, this partnership could also open doors for other countries to collaborate with Turkey and Pakistan on similar defense projects, boosting their collective influence. On the global stage, the KAAN stealth jet factory in Pakistan is more than just an industrial project. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, the pursuit of technological excellence, and the ambition to secure the future of national defense. As Turkey and Pakistan push the boundaries of innovation together, the world will be watching. What do you think about this collaboration? Let us know in the comments below.